No, it wouldn't. I'll prove it.
How? Music.
You wouldn't be able to listen to that if you had hearing problems.
Well, that's only one thing.
Oh my god, quick!
Fire bell. What do I do?
You wouldn't be able to hear that if you were deaf.
But I'd die.
Exactly.
After the next 100 yards, please take the first exit off the March roundabout.
It's good to hear this, because otherwise you'll get lost.
Oh. Cause I'm a man, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. Thank you very much.
You wouldn't be able to hear this, would you?
I'm so hungry.
Oh, come on down for tea now.
Tea.
You wouldn't be able to hear that if you were deaf.
I'm so hungry.
Ring, ring.
Hello? Yeah. Okay, bye.
You wouldn't be able to hear your friends if you were deaf.
Yeah, but they get so mad at me because I weren't answering the phone.
Thank you for listening.
Hope this has given you more awareness of deaf.